Everyone wants a side hustle, but nobody talks about the cost of your time. Today, Zaid is testing the two biggest trends of 2026: AI services versus physical labor. Which one actually puts more profit in your pocket? First, the AI agency. Zaid uses tools like Claude and Midjourney to create marketing assets for small businesses. The upside: low overhead and zero physical sweat. The reality: high competition. It takes 10 hours of pitching just to land one $500 client. Now, the dirty side hustle: pressure washing driveways. The downside: high startup cost for equipment, and it's physically exhausting. The reality: demand is huge. Zaid charges $250 per driveway and finishes in 90 minutes. No pitching required. The results speak for themselves. Let's look at the ROI Teardown. In the AI agency, Zaid made $25 per hour after all the unpaid sales work. In the pressure washing business, despite the equipment cost, he's netting $120 per hour. In 2026, physical often pays more because everyone else is trying to stay digital. The real winner? The hybrid model. Zaid uses AI to automate his physical business, booking clients while he's asleep. He spent $1,500 once, but now earns a consistent $4,000 a month. That is a 260% return on investment. Don't choose the hustle that looks cool. Choose the one where the math works. Which side are you on, digital or physical? Let us know in the comments. Download our ROI calculator to test your own ideas. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth, for the data-driven truth about money.